Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Tech Wares, and today is January 6th, 2026. Just after the first day of CES 2026, everybody was excited. Everybody was expecting an Intel Arc B770 announcement or the BMG G31 um, GPU SoC. We didn't get any of that. What we got is simply the Intel Core Ultra Series 3, the debut, Panther Lake. That was the big fish for Intel. They wanted all the spotlight, they wanted all the attention, they wanted to focus mainly on that. That was pretty much what CES 2026 was for Intel. Panther Lake launch. Um, that was really it. They also announced some, a few things. Software, AI, Super Builder. Um, the design, they said, is going to be available for pre-orders January 6th. So today, I don't know. I haven't really seen any. I don't know if they're out there. I haven't really checked. Um, Perplexity CEO was on stage as well. Somebody from EA Games was there as well to talk about that. Sorry, they talked about implementing XeSS 3 in the future version of Battlefield 6. Dan Rogers from Intel also came up on stage to talk about the GPUs, and initially everyone thought that this was the time they're going to talk about B770, but they just talked about Arcs, multi-years of innovation, and they show this chart over here, and them scaling up, and they talked about what is it, 390? That's the GPU, the big GPU in Panther Lake. With Panther Lake, also said that is going to be coming. Panther Lake is going to be coming to a few handhelds from some partners. And over here they showed off the list of the partners. You have Acer, Compal, Foxconn, GPD, Inventec, Microsoft, MSI. I mean, everyone knows MSI Claw. There's also what is it called? The Acer Blaze, I think. Acer Blaze handheld. One X Player, Pegatron. So it's interesting to see Microsoft here, because does that mean it's gonna be Asus? Because Microsoft doesn't really make like their own handhelds. Well, actually, they might team up with Compal and make the handheld. But anyways, that was really it. No B770, no BMG G31. But it was kind of like, it's kind of understandable why they wouldn't do it, because the whole point of the show, the whole launch event, was for Panther Lake. That was really it. It was for Panther Lake. BMG G31 is not canceled. There's 4 devices that we know. One of those devices is a gaming card. The three others are for the Pro. They're the Pro, like Pro B70, things like that. So that's still coming. Now, when is it going to be coming? Well, the next major event is Computex, but that's all the way in June. Okay, Computex all the way in June. What is it? 5 months from now? So I don't think it's going to be in June. I think it's going to have its own standalone event, similar to how the B series had its own standalone event. What I mean by standalone event is that it might just be like a YouTube live. Just like a YouTube live. You know what I mean? Oh, where is it? Oh yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be coming. I think it's still gonna be coming. I mean, it is. There's no way. Prices we don't know. Right now, the Rampocalypse. We don't know if that's what delayed things. We don't know what plays on, what's going on in the background, behind the scenes. But the B390 is actually pretty amazing. Actually, the B390 is actually pretty amazing. I think in the future, Intel is gonna have the better integrated graphics solutions across like mobile, across desktop, across like. I think Intel iGPUs is gonna be number one in comparison to the AMD APUs or whatever they call them, APUs. But the B770 is coming, guys. You have to chill out. You have to relax. We don't know what the delay is. We don't know if it was even planned to be announced at CES. We don't know, but it's not canceled. It's still coming. I mean, even Moore's Law is dead. Says it's still coming. Even he's not going off and saying, "Oh, look, I told you guys it's canceled." Even in his latest video, he even said that it's still going to be coming. Now, I think it's still going to be first quarter. I don't think they're going to wait till Computex. I mean, they might, because they didn't even talk about the Intel Arrow Lake refresh. Maybe they're going to have an event talking about both of them, like a standalone event. Or who knows, maybe they might even wait all the way until Computex. I don't know. By then, the driver is going to be super mature. But yeah, we have to wait and see. But it's kind of disappointing. But hopefully, they give us something, give us a hint, throw us a bone here. They could have teased it at CES 2026. They could have teased it. They could have hinted at it. They could have did something. It's just disappointing that they didn't do anything. But it's still coming. It's not canceled. And that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are you as disappointed as I am? But are you still hopeful that it's going to be releasing in Q1 of this year, 2026? Take care, everyone. Oh, yeah. I'm also excited for XeSS 3. I think that's going to be pretty good. Some pretty good tech. Take care, everyone. Peace out.